Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in our last video, we have discussed about chapter number 13, and chapter name is Means of Transport. And in this video, we are going to discuss about chapter 13, the worksheet of chapter 13. So, student, now look at the exercise first, that is, mark the following sentences as true or false. So student, in this exercise, you have to give answer according to the given statement. If your statement is right, then your answer will be true, and if the statement is wrong, then your answer will be false. So now look at the first statement. Look at the first statement. Buses and ships are means of land transport. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because bus are the means of land transport but ships are not means of land transport. So this statement is wrong. So your answer will be false. And you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now look at the second statement. Railway network can only connect different cities. They do not connect places within the same cities. This statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because railway network can connect the places within the same city, like local train in Mumbai, metro rail in Delhi. So this statement is wrong and your answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box. Now look at the third statement. A raft is a train that run underground. Is this statement is right or wrong? No, raft is not a train. So this statement is wrong. So your answer will be false. And you have to write false at this given box. And here false is already written. Now look at the fourth number. People use ships to cross seas and ocean. Is this statement is right or wrong? Right. Because people use ships to cross seas and ocean. So this statement is right. And your answer will be true, and you have to write true at this given box, and here true is already written. Now come on the fifth number. Air transport is the cheapest modes of transport. Is this statement is right or wrong? This statement is wrong because air transport is very expensive mode of transport. Everyone cannot afford the air transport because it is very expensive. So this statement is wrong and your answer will be false, and you have to write false at this given box, and here false is already written. Now come on the second exercise, that is choose the correct answer. Choose the correct. It means in this exercise you have to choose the correct options from the given options. Look at the first. The three main mode of transport are, so student, what are the three main modes of transport? Your option A, land, water and air. Your option B, road, railways and airways. Your option C, bus, train and aeroplane. And your option D, land, rail and air. Which option is correct? Your option A, land, water and air are the three main mode of transport. So your option A is correct and you have to tick option A. And here option A is already ticked. Now come on next page. Look at the second number. An untarred road made of mud is called. So what we call the untarred road, which is made of mud, Your option A national highway, your option B Pakka road, your option C a Kacha road, your option D street. So what we call? We call a Kacha road. So your option C is correct and you have to tick the option C in second number. Now come on the third number. Large quantity of goods are transported over land with the help of. So student, by the help of which transport we can, by the help of which means of transport we can transport goods in a large quantity over land. Your option A cycle rickshaw, your option B trucks, your option C car, and your option D carts. Which option is correct? You can transport large quantity of goods on truck over land. So your option B is correct and you have to tick option B, and your option B is already ticked. Now come on next page, that is fourth number. The train connect different part of the city. So student, which train connect the different parts of a city? Your option is Shatabdi, your option B Metro Rail, your option C Duronto, your option D Rajdhani. Which option is correct? Your option B Metro Rail is correct because Metro Rail connect different parts of a city. So you have to take option B and your option B is already ticked. Now come on next page, that is exercise third. Define the following. It means in this exercise we have to define the following words which is given in exercise third. So look at the first number, modes of transport. It means you have to define about what is the modes of transport. Modes of transport is a term used to distinguish between different way of transportation or transporting people or goods. Now come on second, Pakka road. What is Pakka road? Road which are made of tar and gravel are called Pakka road. So student, road which are made of tar and gravel are called Pakka road. Come on third number, airport. So student, in third number you have to define about what is airport. A place where aircraft fly from and land at is known as airport. So student, I hope you all understood about the exercises and you have to done the exercise first, second and third in your CW copy, and this is your today's homework. So that's all and thank you.